What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, firstly, I want to say happy first of the month in April 2025. It's a pleasure to have you all here. And I want to say, may the best of health throughout this month and 2025 and beyond. All right? May God bless you and keep you throughout this year and beyond. All right? So, secondly, I want to say thanks to every individualism that's shown the support on, Melody's reaction. Right? You guys are so good. You guys are so kind. The love is different. The love that I'm receiving from you all, it's immensely huge. I want to say thank you all so much for the love. Thank you all so much for the support. And because of the love, because of the kindness, because of the heartwarming comments that you guys showed, then why not continue to show the love back to you all? You guys are being very good and nice to me, and I'll give my appreciation back to you by giving you this reaction to Symphonic version ESA DIVA by Melody, Spain. Alright, so it's my pleasure to be here with you all. It's my pleasure to react to her music. Bro, this woman, her voice is angelic. Her voice is naturally amazing. The beauty that is coming from her voice, it reflects on her personality. And I do love her personality. She's like one of the best performers in this competition. Trust me. Melody, she's living by her name. And with her name, she's standing tall. So with this being said, let's see what's up. Peace.
Desde que era bien pequeña.
Whoa, okay. Okay, so this is what she's gonna sing in. This is her tone of voice that she's gonna sing in. Then, if this is her tone of voice that she'll continuously sing in this version of the song, then I'll be propelled with a fluttery. Like, this voice is gonna blow my mind away, bro.
Antes de saber andar, fui del mundo la rumbera. Para mí era tan normal. Y descubrí a una suprema del teatro despreciando a los demás.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. This is naturally amazing. She's doing a superb job. Like, I'm sitting here listening to what she can do. And she's freaking amazing on this, bro. This is what we call a natural artist. An artist that can display a body, which is a work of art, so we could understand the level of what artistry is. She's doing good. Naturally amazing.
Del camerino, pero la supuesta diva por el eco de una vida que no le pertenecía se embrujó.
Oh, rap. Yeah. This is what I knew Melody for. Her diva lifestyle, the version of her voice is definitely an incredible source, right? Something that can blow your mind away, right? Standing on top, bro. She's on top of her game now. Like, no one can able to stop this woman from doing what she's doing because she's a mastery at her craft.
Una diva sencilla como un simple mortal. Una diva.
Oh no! This voice is terrific. Real Powerhouse. This is a leverage voice, right? This voice is quite a force to be reckoned with.
No pisa nadie para brillar, su voz le hace grande. ¿Qué más da si ella es libre cantando como un pez?
Hey, the level of her music is top notch. Like freaking dope. Rip, rip.
En el mar, una diva es valiente, poderosa, su vida es un jardín lleno de espinas y rosas, resurge bailando con más fuerza que un huracán.
Oh. Yo, yo, I am not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I am not gonna lie to y'all. The level of this music, it's gold. Like the people, the guitarist, you know, the violinist, the musicians, right, the backup singers. Such great chemistry is been going on here. Like, good one. Very good one.
Es la madre que madruga, es la artista sin cartel, con dinero sin fortuna.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this version, this symphonic version is dope. It's fire, bro. Like a ball of fire. It's magma type of shit here. Bro, I am feeling good.
Ellas son divas también. No es la fama tu grandeza.
Yo, she right at this point, bro, she's playing around, bro. She's playing around. Because it is not a very easy task to partake in such exquisite musical career, bro. Her career is built off music. And what she's doing, bro, her career is not propelling, bro. And I do like to see the propelling career right here. Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Melody, your voice is very melodious at this point.
La igualdad es mi bandera y la música es mi única ilusión. Una diva sencilla como un simple mortal. Una diva no pisa a nadie para brillar. Su voz le hace grande. ¿Qué más da si ella es libre cantando?
Rap! Rap! I could tell that she's feeling that performance. I could tell that her body expression, the way she's expressing herself, her body movement, it is coming from her soul. It is deep within. The music is generating from deep within. And once we could able to establish that by just looking at her, bro, the music is real. It's realistically real, right? She's not here for just to play games. She's here to win. She's here to perform, bro. And she's giving us like definitely that.
Como un pez en el mar, una diva es valiente, poderosa, su vida es un jardín lleno de espinas.
Wow. Wow. I would love to come to see her personally. Just to shake her hand, just to give her a hug, to let her know that her music is freaking awesome.
Rosas, resurge bailando, con más fuerza que un huracán. Ya verán.
Yo, she's a magician. She's a magician. Her voice, her music is totally a magical being at this point.
Somos divas tú y yo. Si ella es libre cantando.
Black, black, black. Oh my God. Yo, I wasn't expecting that high note. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. She nailed it. This is why I love her so much, bro. Because her voice is very angelic. What a peaceful moment by her. Trust me, bro. Trust me.
Como un pez en el mar, una diva es valiente, poderosa, su vida es un jardín lleno.
Awesome, man. Awesome. She's doing an awesome job. You know, it's the first time I'm even seeing some of these instrumental, bro. Like her music is a perfection. She's a perfectionist in her class of music.
De espinas y rosas resurge bailando con más fuerza que un huracán. Ya verás.
The happiness she gets from her music is the happiness the fans known her for. And I'm literally happy now, and I'm a fan of her music. Trust me.
Esa diva soy yo.
Wow. A very good display in music. Her performance is great. Her looks is astonishing. The musician did an awesome job. The backup singers, everyone played a vital role in this performance. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next content, bro.